Following the presentation of a patented postbiotics-based reference, Kalibiome Sensitive D-V, which is an anti-hair loss active ingredient targeting hair scalp and follicles during the hair cycle. Here, an overview of Kalibiome technology. Kalibiome is a family of postbiotics obtained through a patented biofermentation process leading to obtain pure postbiotics with patented composition. This technology was awarded at the IFSCC, and it implies the development of concentrated and pure postbiotics, which are biotech active ingredients mainly composed of vitamin derivatives, fatty acids, peptides, and biosurfactants. These functional actives category shows significant technological benefits, among which a total lack of interference with cosmetics preservatives and a total absence of bacterial cell wall components, both aspects optimizing its technological and safety profile. In detail, here we have an overview of the postbiotics included in Kalibiome. Specific and selected peptides promote hair follicle tissue regeneration during the anagen phase by preventing a premature catagen phase onset. In addition, the combination of fatty acids and biosurfactants contributes to keep in its homeostatic status both the skin barrier integrity and the hair scalp microbiota balance, while selected bioactive oligopeptides promote the activation of vitamin B, which is specific for hair strengthening. The anagen phase is the specific hair cycle part where Kalibiome acts, and it is the phase in which the hair follicle is in full proliferation and growth. It lasts from 2 to 7 years and tends to decrease drastically with age. The next phase is the catagen involution, where the hair follicle stops its growth and starts its regression, until the telogen phase, in which the hair follicle becomes inactive with the hair anchored in a weak way and subject to falling under the pressure of the new hair that is formed. The cycle, therefore, repeats itself with the new anagen phase. Kalibiome action during anagen phase is mediated by the short TSLP protein, which is a physiological cytokine part of the immune system, enabling to promote hair follicle revitalization. This protein, in fact, escalates to its peak during the mid-anagen phase. It promotes tissue regeneration in follicle microenvironment, and it is highly expressed following traumas and microlesions. As a result of the Kalibiome activity on the hair, the following follicle biopsy shows the TSLP protein expression recorded during the mid-anagen phase all over the hair follicle. As anticipated, Kalibiome is able to increase this protein expression with a massive upregulation, which is 300% more than control. Kalibiome action is therefore focused on optimizing and prolonging as much as possible the anagen phase, avoiding premature catagen. Another relevant mechanism of hair loss prevention is given by the refined regulation of inflammation through the immune system. The immune-related inflammation is one of the main causes of the hair follicle shrinking and shortening of the anagen phase, finally leading to premature hair loss. Kalibiome is able to reduce and control this inflammation through refined mechanisms. At first, it is able to downregulate specific cytokines of the immune system. Among the most relevant ones, interleukin-6, which is responsible of shortening the anagen phase, and interleukin-8 and MCP1, which trigger the follicle aging effects leading to graying and UV-induced inflammation. The inflammation is also reduced through free radical scavenging action, and Kalibiome showed better performances than glutathione in reducing superoxide radicals in living stressed cells by 40%. Also, the PPH test confirmed this superiority as they prove plus 110% of antioxidant force more than placebo. Kalibiome also showed significant balancing action on scalp microbiome with proven activity on various germs, including, for example, Staphylococcus aureus. This germ is known for its negative role in the onset of atopic dermatitis, and it is also involved in hair pathologies such as seborrheic dermatitis. In general, also the bacterial population heterogeneity and the balance among these bacteria is a key aspect able to prevent events like dandruff formation, for instance. The following video in the white window shows on the left side Staphylococcus aureus colonies, visible as black dots, while hyperproliferating and finally establishing a biofilm. The treatment with Kalibiome postbiotics, compared to the control, clearly and visibly leads to an interruption of the bacterial proliferation and the resulting bacteriostatic action, which is given by Kalibiome biosurfactants. This is a key mechanism explaining the capability of the postbiotics to maintain the scalp microbiota balance and prevent hypercolonization of single species. Application-wise, Kalibiome can be used in all traditional rinse-off and leave-on applications like shampoo and conditioners, as well as in masks, overnight treatments, gels, alcoholic or glycolic anti-hair loss lotions, etc. Its action supports claims like hair anti-aging, anti-hair loss, prevention of gray and dandruff onset, and support treatment against seborrheic dermatitis.